down, breathe.
Come on, play along for a Happy Holidays mind game.
If you come across something that stresses you out during the holidays, you can easily roll your eyes. And if you do it with intention, you can practice this and it becomes instant for you. So do this with me. Roll your eyes up in your head. And as soon as you feel the burn, keep your eyeballs up, but close your eyelids down. Close them down. Taking a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax your eyelids. Now taking another deep breath, and as you exhale, relax all the rest of the muscles in your body. Just let them go. And now as slowly as you possibly can, open your eyes. You know, your kids roll their eyes at you all the time. Why not roll your eyes back at them? Or anybody else who gets in your way or stresses you out. Up, down, breathe. That's such a quick and instant stress reliever that if you're with your family, as an example, and somebody's getting on your nerves, you can do that right where you sit. The only caveat to self-hypnosis is remembering to do it. But the more you practice happy, the more you practice doing these things when you need them or when you don't, when you just practice doing it, the more embodied the learning becomes.
For more hypnotic mind games, subscribe, follow, and go to KarenHand.com.